This third question is an example that I found, which strictly it's not in the course content, but it is the kind of question that we can actually just tackle using some knowledge of circles and just some common sense. So let's have a think about this. Here we have a circle, and I'm asked to find the area of this shaded region in here. Okay, now this might not look like a triangle area, but we will notice that there is a triangle in here, and if you took that triangle away from this big sector area, I'd be left with what I need. So the steps involved for this are I need to find this large sector, and then I need to take away this triangle here. Now, the best way to work this out, actually I'll call that big area the area of the sector, AS, and I'll call the inner area AT for area of the triangle. Okay, now actually I'll leave AT out for the moment, and I'll rewrite that in blue. Okay, we've got to find the area of that sector, so this region all the way around here. So we know that the area of a circle is pi r squared, but we don't have a full circle here, we've just got part of a circle, and we've got 100 degrees out of a total of 360 degrees. So the area of this sector is going to be that fraction, 100 out of 360, times by the area of the full circle. And the area of the full circle is going to be pi times the radius, which is 180 squared. Now that's going to be a big number because we are working in square millimeters. So let's do that. This times pi times 100 divided by, wow, that's a big number, 360. Whoa, and it just cleared. Let's do that again. 180 squared times pi times 100 divided by 360. Okay, I'll try not to bump clear again. We get 28,273 square millimeters. I'm not going to go to decimals because this is quite precise in square millimeters. Okay, now we need to work out the area of this triangle here. So the area of the triangle, well, it's going to be, again, the area of a triangle rule, half AB sine C. Now, the two sides are going to both be the same, 180, because this is a circle, and that radius has to be the same. So it's going to be 180 times 180 times sine of 100 degrees. So 180 times 180 is again 180 squared, so that is going to pop up again. Divide by 2, 64,800, and I've got a times by sine 100. And it gives me this number, which is far too big. I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to start with sine. Times 180 times 180 divided by 2. Okay, that's much better. So that's just something to be aware of. Make sure you know how to drive your calculator. Obviously, I'm not very good with this one because it's not my usual calculator. I said I wasn't going to go to decimals, so I'll leave that out. And I need to round up. But do make sure that you know how to get the right answer, and when you see something come up on your calculator, check that it looks right. Okay. The reason I knew that other one was wrong was the number was bigger than this, and that can't be right. Okay. So I'm interested in the area of that region that was shaded, AR. It's going to be the first number minus the second one. So let's do that. 28273 minus 15954, and I get that the area of that region is going to be 12,319 square millimeters.